In the today's video, we will show you how to insert date in MS Word. So there are multiple formats available in the MS Word that you can use to insert the date. So let's start with the video. To insert date in MS Word, click on Insert, and here we will find one option as Insert Date and Time. Click on it. So once you click on it, here there are multiple formats of date available. So you can choose as per your requirement whichever format you want. So let's say I'm using this format and just click on OK. So this format get added in the Word. If you want to add some another format of date, click on Insert. Again go to this date and time option, and here whichever format appropriate to you, that you can directly click on it. And if you want to change this date automatically whenever you open this Word document, so click on this option, or else if you don't want, just unclick this option or uncheck this box. And also if you want to set this date as a default date, means whenever you open the Word document, the date should become in this format only. So you can choose as set as default option. So I'm clicking on OK. So another format of date also get added. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.